Ventilation systems are found in many buildings. Normally, you don't even notice them unless they are so dirty that they can no longer provide a pleasant indoor climate. Today, I would like to show you how you can carry out brush cleaning easily and effectively with a rotary Viper. To begin with, there are a few preliminary steps that need to be taken on site. For example, a video inspection camera should be taken into the ventilation system to document the current situation. Secondly, the first thing we will do now is to connect the dust collector in order to achieve negative pressure in the entire system so that we do not contaminate the rooms during brush cleaning. I have now connected the dust collector to this system, and once the dust collector is switched on, there will be negative pressure in all these lines, and I can start cleaning. The openings where we are not cleaning now are closed in order to achieve an even higher flow velocity within the system. The individual strands are now cleaned with the bending rotary Viper. This bending shaft is therefore extremely flexible. At the end is a brush head that is set in rotation by a cordless screwdriver.